You can use Video Genie to enhance your entertainment experience while watching videos. Here's how to get started. While you're using video application, you can slide out the Edge tool from the side, and you will see Video Genie toolbar with 4 functions. Turn on no calls and no alerts, and you can avoid disturbances while watching videos. Activate mini notification, and you will get a visually lighter experience. The last function is background listening. With background listening turned on, you can continue enjoying music while using other apps. To activate Video Genie, follow these steps. Swipe down from the top of your screen to access quick settings. Tap Advanced. Find Edge tool. Go to Video Genie. Then tap Video Manager List. Select the apps you would like to add to the list. While you're using the app that is selected on the list, Video Genie will show when you slide out from the Edge. Let Video Genie do the magic, and you're ready to enjoy your entertainment. Welcome to subscribe to our ASUS support channel. Like the video and share your comments below. We're happy to provide you with more useful information.